Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going over a 3D text effect that's pretty new in Final Cut Pro, and if you stay with me to the end, I'll give you a little secret that you can add to this effect. So let's get right into it today. So we are going to go to our titles and we're going to click on 3D right here, and we're going to be working with the rotate 3D today, and we can stretch this out a little bit. Let's just see how that looks so far. Okay, just a regular 3D rotate animation. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go to our actually, let's just name this really quickly. We can name it Final. Okay, and let's change the font to, I'm gonna go Domain Display, and let's just see how this looks. Okay, looks pretty good. Now we are going to go to the Effects tab, and we're going to go under Distortion, and we're going to go to Funhouse. And we're going to drop the Funhouse effect on the final title. And what we're going to do now is we are going to make sure our playhead is in the beginning of the timeline, and we are going to add a keyframe. So the amount 20 is good right here. We're going to add a keyframe, and we're going to just go to about the middle or a little bit before the middle of the text, and we're going to put the amount all the way to 0. And what this is going to do with us adding the keyframe is it's just going to make a little animation, and I can show you that right now. Simple as that. It's really cool right there. And we can even take this down a little bit more, like about right here, so we can speed the animation up. That looks really good right there. Looks really good. Now, I appreciate you guys watching this video and taking the time out of your day, but now I want to give you a little extra token for sticking around with me. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the B3 Studios plugins, and this is in the description below. So just go check that out in the description below. And we are going to go to the Overdrive plugin right here, and we're going to add that to our text right here. And what that's going to do is it's going to give us this kind of effect right here, just an overdrive effect. But we're going to change the color actually. We're going to change the color because there's a lot going on. So I'm just going to change this. Okay, we can go with purplish blue. See what this looks like. Looks really cool. You can adjust the settings as much as you want. You can turn the intensity down of the plugin. You can change the color if you want. And I like that color right there. It's really cool right there. But yeah, there's a lot of things you can do with this effect, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be uploading videos very soon. If you could comment what plugins or effects you would want to see, that would be great. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon. All right, thank you.